Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the world of Warcraft. I'm back in the Blood Furnace, and I figured I would attempt to sort of clear this back up again because I somehow lost the file. So I've already kind of moved through and sort of destroyed a couple of guys because I was like, you know what, I just want to see if I can kill all these guys without having a pet this time around, which will fuck it up because I think that's what happened last time. So, in a way, it was kind of a benefit because I didn't actually get to finish the Blood Furnace little quest line here. So now I'll just go ahead and solo the Maker.
Perhaps I can find a use for you.
Maybe, maybe not.
Stay away from me.
Diamond Core Sledge Mace. Welcome back to the world of Warcraft, young lads and lasses, etc. Well, so the only issue is without a pet, it is easier to move around, but then you gotta handle everything on your own. I mean, I guess I could have a pet until it's time to fight the bosses, but this actually seems to be making it slightly easier, because then I'm just gonna fucking kill everybody. I don't really care too much about trying to slaughter all the different units and stuff. This room is gonna be a little different, but I think I can manage without my pet, so...
Wretched, meddling insects, release me, and perhaps I will grant you a merciful death.
That voice sounds really fucking familiar. I'm gonna have to look that up. Just throw on a bunch of fucking things and hang up to do. It's like I've been doing. I mean, if you've watched my video of me take on the Black Temple, you should know that it's not very hard for me to accomplish this, so... yeah, go watch the Black Temple video. It was interesting, because, you know, I honestly wasn't expecting to even do it. I mean, I kind of expected some level of success, but... there was a surprise, and the surprises are always the best. Alright, we're just gonna dot the fuck out everybody. Because this keeps me alive. Kills them. Coming out yet? There we go. Because, see, I think last time the pet did more damage than me. And it made it a problem. What you doing there, buddy? Here, I'll give you something to talk to. Good lord, he's already dead. Because I couldn't even loot him last time. Bloody surgeon's mitts. Not bad. Too bad I have no use for them. Ow, my feet are on fire. It's burning hot. Oh, speaking of burning hot, I should do something like this real quick. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. I just want to avoid all these guys, so I can just kind of burn through it real quick like. Could have done it last night like this too, but I never really thought of it for some reason. I figured it might be a little bit more entertaining, but you know, sometimes it's gotta do whatever. Door gonna close on me. Oh yeah, hey, what up? You're not alive. I just checked him. Oh well.
You mustn't let him loose! He'll kill us all!
Good lord, they're all talking all at once. I can't understand anything.
What is this? What have you done? You ruined everything!
Well, I guess I ruined everything. Oh well. Huh. That was a lot faster than I had ever anticipated. Now this is what's interesting. Hold on a second. Let's slow this down real quick. I move fast. I don't even think I needed that, to be honest. I'm moving so fucking swift. I'm actually glad they added this little Speed bonus. Oops. Oop. Wait a minute. Oh, it only lasts so long. That's ridiculous. That's weird, too. Huh. Unexpected, to be honest. Yeah, see, I just left him alone. I wonder if I need to make them bleed. Oh yeah, I'm totally not doing that shit. That's understandable if you're actually going to do it. But no. I just did what I needed to do and that's it. I hope that was entertaining enough. I know it was short. Oh well.